Yes, my dear students, now I am going to tell you how to share and review a document. First, all of you know that first I open LibreOffice. I have all programs list. Now I am finding LibreOffice 6.2 and then click on LibreOffice Calc. Now this kind of screen appear. This is your LibreOffice Calc. Now first point is how to create users. Click on tools. Here last point is here options. Click on options. When you click on options, here is user data. Just I filled here before your class. I make one user, that is name of the company is ABC Private Limited and the first name is Neelam Mehla. Clear? And then state and country I write there ABC. Dummy data you can write down according to your requirement. And then click on apply. This is the way by which you can create users. Clear, my dear students? Now click on OK. Now next point is share document. Again go to the tools menu. Suppose that this is document and I make one table here that have roll number, name and marks. Clear? And here roll numbers are I am also going to write name. I make this table I make this table and now I want to share this table with another person. Then how we can do? Click on, if you want to share a table, then click on tools. There you will find option share spreadsheet. Just click on share spreadsheet. Now share documents dialog box will appear. It is showing here to whom you want to share this document. Just check this box and then click on OK. When you click on OK, it will make a one copy of this spreadsheet that you can save. Suppose that I want to save this as the name of test. And after that I'll click on save button. Clear? Now you can see in title bar it is showing that test.ods shared, means this data is also shared with test file. This is the way by which you can share your spreadsheet. Clear, my dear students? Now next point is here insert comment, means how we can insert a comment. Suppose that these are the marks. I just click in this cell, click on insert. Just wait, I'll make new document because that document was in sharing mode. That's why I'm not able to insert comment there. Suppose that some dummy data I write here and now I want to insert comment. Just click on this cell. Clear? I just single click in this cell, then click on insert. There you will find comment. In last document this button was not in activated state because that document was in sharing modes. That's why I just click on comment. When I click on comment, this kind of box will appear. You can write down here these changes done by Neelam Mehla. I write my name here. Clear? This is the way by which you can insert comment. Now just I hover my mouse, it's showing that these changes done by Miss Neelam Mehla. Clear? This is the way by which you can insert comment. Now next point is edit comment. Suppose that I also want to write down date in this comment. Then there you will just right click, there you will find option edit comment. Click on edit comment. Mouse cursor is here and I write some more thing here. Clear? CHANG. Clear? This is the way by which you can edit comment. Now again you hover your mouse cursor here. Now it's showing the edited message. Neelam Mehla do these changes. Clear? Now I want to delete this. Then how I can do? Just right click. Right click here. Then there you will find option delete comment. Just click on that. And now you hover the mouse in this cell. It's not showing any comment because we delete that comment.